since I've been following stocks since I was a teenager, everything's been overpriced. It's always going to be overpriced. Why? Because there's one thing in life that I can promise you. People pay for quality and people pay for convenience. Like, that's what we do in Manhattan. We pay for convenience. Like, I'm like, yeah, like, I could walk down to 86th Street and go get Shake Shack, but, like, you know what? For an extra $6-7, I'm going to have this guy deliver my Shake Shack.
And I can keep working, or I can,
yeah, and I can keep staying on my laptop.
Be with my family, whatever.
I can save my time, probably make more money on my laptop than the extra $7-8 that I'm going to pay this guy to deliver my food.
Because this is actually a little great topic to get into of, like, how to using money to save you time. Because you can spend all of your time trying to make money, but if you're not, using your time to the best advantage and you're just, you spending all your money all the time.
I mean, like a classic example of this is like people.
It's not gonna work.
Like people saving money to jump on the bus.
Yeah.
Right. Like, might take you extra 40-50 minutes, right? And you might save a few bucks, but is that 40-50 minutes? Are you saving those few bucks? Is it worth it?
Unless you're really
figure out a way to make money in that 40-50 minutes that's worth you taking a cab to your destination.
No knock on the people that got to take it and want to save it, or they got to whatever.
Listen. I'm. Like, if I don't have nothing to do with my time, I'm going to take the bus. But, I mean, chances are I have a lot to do with my time, and I have to take a cab here and there, An
hour a day on the buses, it's 7 hours a week.
I mean, yeah, that's 7 hours you can put somewhere else, right? It's an hour
like
you
a whole
put somewhere
shift.
else. Yeah. So, I mean, it kind of all depends on, like, how you look at money and you look at time. But, if you can save time and then with that extra time make money, it's always worth to, just get to whatever destinations you need to get to faster so you can proceed to making your money.
No lie.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Yeah. Like, it's
like I would love to just, me. I'm gonna spend the extra money so I can keep my time to do more things. Like, the money doesn't even matter sometimes because you're just like, my time is more spent doing these things. So
like my time is more valuable than the money that I'm gonna save.
Yeah.
So I have to spend money.
What's the price? What would you say? What is it value? It's really priceless because my time is valuable. So I don't want to just, let me try to save this 5 here and save this 20
very
there.
True.
Yeah,
crazy topic to talk about, but very, very true.
People be like, man, I'm not going to, why would I pay him to do it when I can do it myself? But you're also paying somebody who took years to learn how to do this, and you're paying them to summarize it and do it for you in a very short amount of time, where, you might save $100. Even someone, our guy Mason, I pay him.
You might save a few $100, but it's just like, you know what? I could probably pay that guy a few $100, and with that time I saved off him, go out and make a few $1,000.
Shout out Benny Blevins right here. We could probably sit here and learn how to set up the camera, and we could do it ourselves. We could turn it on. We could come back around. But why would we do that when we could just operate and focus on what we want to talk about, and Benny could just sit here with his years of experience and hook us up?
Yeah, like a true professional.
Like a professional. So it's really great topic, though, because, hey, guys, you might have things in your life where you're like, let me try to save my little bit of money. Just think about what's important to you and how much of your time do you think that you could just, get back by just spending a little bit, And, yeah, you might spend it, but, hey, you could put that time into other things, which, you can make more money with.
Perfect.
The visionaries.
Perfect topic. Perfect.
Yeah. I mean, that's what we're here. At the end of the day, we're telling you about stocks, but a lot of these things have applied to our lives to help us save time outside of our lives, So
yeah, man. Let's just run through it one more time, man. Just a quick recap.